There you go, little one. Go on now, get moving.
This is Sarah at the plains. I need emergency assistance right away. The python is constricting the cow. I repeat, send help immediately.
All right, easy now. Don't move. I'm gonna get this off of you.
Copy. Approach with caution. ETA 5 minutes. Do not engage the python.
Command, this is Rescuer 4. The target is compromised. We need immediate backup and extraction. The python is massive.
You have to do something. It's killing the calf. It just wrapped around it so fast.
We're assessing the situation now, ma'am.
We have to do something now, Sheriff. It's tightening its grip.
I understand the situation, ma'am.
We're assessing the safest way to proceed.
We need to secure the area immediately. The situation is escalating.
Understood. I'll prep the tranquilizer.
All right, secure the rear. Keep the pressure steady.
We're locked on the head, sir. Waiting for the signal.
All right, team, steady now. Pull back slowly on the head. Easy, easy. Pull hard on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Keep going.
Watch the head. Keep the pressure steady, make sure we cover the head. Roger that. It's starting to loosen.
All right, keep the perimeter secure and make sure those sprayers are ready.
Yes, Sheriff, we're ready to move in.
How long has it been down?
Since early this morning, Sheriff. We need to start the decontamination.
her up and get it off the fur.
We need more foam over here. The bucket's almost empty.
Hold still, big girl. Okay, lungs sound clear on the left side.
Good. Let me know when you're ready to flip her. Easy now, girl. Let's get her turned over. I've got the front here.
It's all right, easy now. Help is here, we're gonna take care of you.
She went down about an hour ago, Deputy. We tried hosing her off, but she won't move.
All right, the team is here now. Let's see what we can do.
All right, easy now. Get the strap secure on your side.
Got it. Watch the leg.
Ready to lift on 3.
Make sure your footing is good. We've got the leverage here. Okay, slow and steady now, lift.
Hold it steady. Bring her left a little. Got her. Watch the clearance on the door. Watch the straps. Steady now.
Come on up, sweetie. Come on, easy now, you're doing great.
Watch your step there, watch your step there.
Almost there, almost there.
All right, make sure those cages are secure.
Got it, I'm grabbing the last catch pole now.
Easy now, nice and slow.
Watch the front left.
Almost there, settle her down. Okay, pull the strap tight over here.
Got it. Is the front secure?
Yeah, just take it slow. Okay, tighten the front strap.
It's clear on this side.
Ready on the hoist? Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ugh, she's heavy.
Keep going, easy now.
We need to get these slings secured under her before we attempt the lift.
How long do you think it will take?
They're secure now. The vet is on the way to give them a look.
Thank you, Deputy. They seem calm.